Most people don't realize Excel has a hidden shortcut that instantly reveals every formula on your worksheet. No clicking, no hunting, no tracing precedents, just one key, and suddenly your entire sheet becomes transparent. If you've ever struggled to find where a number came from, or spent minutes opening cell after cell just to understand how a calculation works, this shortcut will save you so much time. The shortcut is Ctrl plus Backtick. The backtick is the small symbol above tab, next to the number 1. Press it once, and Excel switches your entire sheet into formula view. Every cell shows its formula instead of the result. This is incredibly useful when you're auditing spreadsheets, checking for errors, or trying to understand someone else's work. Instead of guessing how a number was calculated, you see the exact logic behind it instantly. Press Ctrl plus Backtick again, and Excel switches back to normal view. Results return, formulas hide, and your sheet looks exactly the way it did before. It's a simple toggle, but it's one of the most powerful shortcuts in Excel. This shortcut is especially helpful when you're dealing with complex financial models, budgeting templates, or dashboards. It lets you verify every formula without breaking anything or clicking into dozens of cells. If you're working with someone else's file, this shortcut helps you understand their structure immediately. You can see which cells are hard-typed, which ones are linked, and which formulas might be wrong or inconsistent. It also helps you catch mistakes fast. Wrong references, broken links, inconsistent formulas, or accidental manual entries become obvious the moment you reveal everything with Ctrl plus Backtick. Once you start using this shortcut, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. It's one of those small Excel features that dramatically improves your speed, accuracy, and confidence when working with data. Try it on your next spreadsheet. Press Ctrl plus Backtick, reveal everything, check your formulas, fix your errors, and then toggle back. It's simple, powerful, and it makes you look like an Excel pro instantly. If you like this video, like, follow, and share.